Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
One brother wanna bone scanner just push me, make me nearly drop on my face.
What? And which boy that's so bright for the other?
Just because me walk past him and cough, him push me. And remember you say anybody will do me anything, you will defend it.
Oh, you mean? After me no punk, I have to defend you.
So make we drive go round there before him leave.
You mean right now?
Then I must know. Cause him round upon the corner right now.
Oh, him stay. You mark him face?
Yeah man, I want big trap team brother. Me can't forget him face.
No worry yourself. Stumpy and Baba are go around there with me.
You know, from when me leave the barber shop, the customers them supposed to cuss.
Kerry did text me and say for bring home a dozen tin of sardine for gully bop, cause none in the house. Me just remember.
Me can catch him next time. Cause me kinda busy right now.
Oh, you start sound like a little coward so.
Everybody knows I'm not afraid of nobody. I just threw my spray in my hand this morning. I wring out my rag after me done bathe.
If you not come back round there go defend it, you nah get nothing tonight.
So Peggy, you blackmail me with my sick hand? Alright, come in on the car, me could go round there.
Bobby, all the light change from red to green and you no drive off.
I have a friend named Derek and him always abrupt the red light.
But you like the pan green. So where that say?
The next light they on red and Derek might be coming through, so I can't take no chance.
But wait, me not see the brother. It look like him gone already.
It look like him hear me and come and run gone.
It's because you keep stalling by stopping at the green light every minute. And now the man gone. You know me think you get afraid for me tell you say I want big chopped in brother.
You know I'm not afraid of people. And maybe we could have still deal with him case with my spray and hand. But you have to blame Derek. Cause if him never did always abrupt the red light them, I would have reached long time.